Good morning, guys. We're going to start in 6 minutes. Let's get some questions, everything in there. I'll see you shortly. Bye. Good morning to those who have joined. We're going to start in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. See you shortly. Good morning, guys. 2 minutes till we get started. 2 minutes. Let's get some questions and tickers in, and I will see you shortly. Good morning, guys. What up? Hello, hello, hello. Slow morning? Nah, been amazing morning. Great runners. A lot of runners. A lot of runners, a lot of movers. Just have to focus on. This USAR is absolutely insane. If you're looking at this chart on a larger time frame, it's pretty impressive what it's doing. I mean, it's all it's doing is going straight up, to be honest. All the way up, all the way up. Look at that trend. That is pretty insane. Very, very bullish trend here. If we can keep going on this, I mean, yeah, it's probably the strongest setup so far. So broke the high of it needs to break the high of yesterday. So yesterday's high was, well, pre-market high, sorry, 1688. If it breaks that, should continue to go up. Let me just repost this link so we get more people in here. Market's closed tomorrow. Join up. Join. Let's get the sirens in. Okay, cool. We posted the link. All right, everybody go retweet it. Okay, what's happening? CHRO needs to get above $2.57. Then you have 285, then 305. 285 and 305. If this breaks 257, it looks good for impulse entries. That means you don't need to wait for the candle to close above. You can just enter. So crow, impulse buys above 257. Keep a damn stop loss. If you don't know what a stop loss is, take the money out your account and quit trading, or go and learn what it is. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you doing today, totes? Let's get some bread. Grab $6 quarter. What's my top pick for today? I don't know. It's one of these. One of these here in the blue and orange. Between the blue and orange. Right now, I'm not really convinced with anything. HYT, what's it? HTZ looks pretty good, to be fair. That HTZ looks like it is trying to continue to, well, not continue, it's trying to reverse. See this? This is looking good after a nice little pullback here to the upside. Will you get some SCA? No, I'm not trading. I'm not trading. I don't trade 5-cent stocks. I don't trade stocks under $1. Do not trade them. For me, it's just a personal thing. I just don't trade them very well. I don't like to trade them. If something's 5 cents, you know what that means. It's a load of shit. Yeah, STSS, there's nothing unless here. The reason why I say here is because this is the nearest resistance. You break above here, you have clean range to the upside. RTC, this one's just coming down. No sign of reversal yet. Maybe, who knows? We're in it. Yeah, it's a bit tricky. I would just keep an eye on it if you like these sub $1 plays, but at the moment we can just let it do its thing. Hi everyone, good morning, good morning. I sold 40,000 shares. Wow. Bought the dip. I had $20 calls USA. Oh, nice. That one was good. It's been running all week, last 2 weeks. This is $800. Pretty interested in LFI. Insane. But yeah, it's up a crazy amount. Duo, nah, this is a pump and dump usually. Yeah, if we look at the overall chart, it's bearish. You do not want to be trading something that is in a strong downtrend like this. All this means is that there is sellers are in control and that there is no point in getting in this play at all, right? I don't know, maybe there's news coming or something, but honestly at the moment I don't see any potential and worth entries on this because there's nothing going on, right? Yes, you're at a support level here, but ideally you want it to start pushing to the upside. You want an uptrend like this. So when you get an uptrend, then you know there's a high probability it'll keep going up. Now it's not a good idea. I don't know, something to order. Nice. Lovely. Yeah, Duo, there's nothing right now. Sorry, I don't see any potential on this. Okay, let's see. CHRO, nothing on this. 257 is your entry point on that. TGL is looking good. We're in a falling wedge here. This clean falling wedge. Falling wedge right here. Then we have up. Yeah, you need to get above VWAP to look for entries on this. So above 450 looks good. Keep finding myself in Mullen, but down 99.6. Get out of Mullen. Waste your time. SMX, I still like this. You're in a demand zone. You have a psychological support. High probability to continue to go up. CMA has been great all week. Yeah, it has. I've seen. Great. This is looking good. This is looking good. This is looking good. We have here and then we have here. So yeah, we'll see. We're above 7. We're $7. Yeah, you're above $7. Maybe if it breaks the previous high, which is around here, $7. You're above VWAP as well, showing that there is a bullish trend now. The reason why this is a bullish trend is not only because you're above VWAP, you've got a candle that's closed above the downtrend. That means it confirms that there's a breakout. Now there should be a possibility it can push to the upside. So if I was to look for an entry on this, I would wait for 719 break and then maybe you can look for entries on it. Arik, I'm not really interested in this. I just have it on my watch list because everyone's spamming me about it every day. So I think that above 130 would be good for entries. But yeah, right now, look, if you actually look at this stock, what's happening? It's just ranging inside here, right? CRML. Good afternoon, guys. What up? Good evening here. 4:30 p.m. Good late evening. Right, we have 1 hour on CRML. Nothing really. Maybe this to this. And this to this. Yeah, possibly a bullish pennant, but I don't like how there's all this here. You see this? This isn't great with all this gap here. You want it to be proper price action. What is this? CRML. Bullish pennant. So it is still a bullish pennant. B hat. Don't trade B hat, please. Don't trade B hat. It's a load of trash. Ignore B hat. B hat is one of the worst stocks. No good. Look, weekly down, daily down, 4 hour down. 1 hour is the only one that looks like it's trying to push up, but I personally don't like this stock at all. I wouldn't trade it. It has too much of a cult following, bag holders, all that. It's a BS stock. Trash. Don't want to get caught in something. Maybe above 250 if you have to try and take something. CHRO is above VWAP. It needs to get back over VWAP. We'll wait and see what happens over that. But yeah, 257, mark that level. New jobless claims below expectation. Yeah, it came out 7 minutes ago. Market's still cooking. Like SPY and all that, it's just up 0.7%. WWR. Some says WWR off Arik run. I don't see anything right now on this. Yeah, nothing on this. I don't know how to draw a trend line on that. It's not a great chart, to be honest. Not much volume. I mean, if we focus on the most recent area of resistance, it would probably be around, what is it, 0.7, way up, but it's kind of what I see. Above 0.7, maybe entries, but I just don't even trade these. If this gets news and starts running, then maybe I'll consider it, but, well, no, I wouldn't. It's under $1. So it needs to be a top gainer. All you have to do is use this website. It's free. It's literally free. Choose the pre-market and you click on that and you can see which ones are the top gainers. Very low average. Okay. If you have a low average, then yeah, fair enough. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how much low. I'm sure it'll run at one point. Yeah, that's my screener, scanner, whatever. I just add those every day. See them. These are all of them here. Once they are added, then I look for possible entries on my trades. And yeah, just leave STSS for now. Okay, what is happening here with this? We need this to break above here. The fact that it hasn't broken above 718 is no good. Yes, also here's the link. This is it here. WOP, WHOP. Click on that. Then you have 1 or 3 months here. And you can choose ELPW. ELPW 4 hour. Which one? Demand zone? Yeah, it's been insane. This is insane. I don't know how to trade something like this where it's just keeps going up. I trade some at least a little, needs to pull back. Maybe around here like 310. Sorry, around here 325. If you get 325, hopefully that'll be a good entry. Because then it'll pull back to this like resistance now. Support, sorry. OMEX, your entries are only above 0.67. Someone asked me about this earlier. 0.67. Let me retweet the link. Yeah, here. We are live on YouTube. RTC is trying to push up, although it's below VWAP. You want it to be above VWAP ideally. If you enter now, I would say max like 7% stop loss. STSS, also not interested in this. I just have it on my watch list since it is up above 0.5 cents. Looks good. Anything else is pretty interesting. CYCU, don't care. PRTG, 20% up. I'll keep it on my watch list. I see might trade something like this. For now, nothing. To the 4 hour. You have a lot of resistance here on the 4 hour. Possibly if it breaks this 974, let's put 975. Psychological level, break above that, and possibly entries, I think. PRTG. Entries over 975. You break 975, that's the highest wicks. And the nearest resistance, break here, here, here. Then you push to the upside. I need a big Stevie Wonder trade. Yes, I know. What is your top 1-2 plays? I don't know. I'll wait till open. But guys, I don't have a rank. I never, ever rank my plays. These are the plays that these are all the plays that I'm watching. All of these. The red and the blue are the main ones. These orange ones are under $1. The blue ones are all the ones that I'm watching. I'm not going to be trading now. I don't know what will happen at open. I wait. I wait 1 hour, 2 hours, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 2 minutes. Whenever it gives me the setup, I will take the trade. Which one has the highest probability? I don't know. All of these do. They're all top gainers. Just because this is up 78%, it does not mean it's the highest probability. Because this isn't a falling wedge, it doesn't mean it's the highest probability, right? I wish I knew, because if I did, I would tell everyone and I would help everyone and say buy and take out a loan and get a full port of the trade that I think will run up. However, I am not that person and there is no one like that, unfortunately, so I cannot. Yeah, anything under $1, then don't worry about any of these orange. Focus on the blue ones. All these blue ones are the highest probability setup plays that will run today. One of these will be the runner today. Guaranteed. Guaranteed that it will be one of them. I like SMX. In my opinion, SMX might be the one to run because we're in a falling wedge. We're consolidating in the demand zone. We're respecting this very well. Looking for a breakout to the upside. You have a lot of confluences here indicating that this will go up. Bullish reversal pattern. Demand zone where buyers step in. You have a psychological area of support. You have a falling wedge as well. TGL needs to hold this area of support, which is right here at $4.20. Maybe if it holds 420, looks good. No, don't have below 16 counts. I'm only kidding. No one's gonna full port it. You guys really gonna think you're gonna full port it? No. Should never be full porting anything. Never. You never. Verb is trash. Trash. Leave Verb. Don't trade it. Don't trade it. Do not trade this. Please do not trade Verb. Look at the stock. Look. Pump, dump, pump, dump. See these long wicks? Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump. Trash. Leave it. Don't have it on your watch list. Trust me. Remove it. Right, so OMEX is trying to move up. This is looking pretty good. Volume's coming in on this. This ran yesterday crazy. I think Hassie gave this as a alert. Yeah, this looks good. I really do like this though. DXF, this one's a bit of a weird one as well. I think this is a pump. Yeah, so it broke that level. You have this. You see this $15 wick fill? If it breaks above that high, then it should continue to go up. Right now, you're like double top, so it means it should come down. If it breaks 15, maybe you can look for entries above it. So yeah, RTC. Nothing on RTC. STSS, nothing. Arik is trying to push up. I really like this play. Really like the setup. HTZ is still looking great. I like it a lot. SMX is still looking good. I like these strong bottom wicks looking nice. EGLs pulling back to 420. Crow, nothing pure. So right now we have to look at the highest property setup. SMX is probably one of them. HTZ is another one, and EGL and Crow. These would be my plays. Don't care about this, don't care about this, don't care about this. Yeah, Crow's right here. If you're looking for entries, it's above 257. Your entry point is above 257. Do not enter at 256, 255, 254. Do not enter at those prices, please. Do not do it. So yeah. Breaks above here, you have high probability to go up. The reason is you will have high volume, buyers will be in control, bullish trend, all the great things that indicate that this will continue to go up. PRTG, nothing. Eric, nothing. CSS, still nothing. Yeah, this is looking good. I like this play. Come on, guys, let's get some questions and tickers in here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Push the gas. CMND. Yeah, you can add CMND. This one, I would just wait for the break of the high where the wicks are. The highest point has been today, which is 131. Maybe you could try entries above here. Can try small size above 131. Let's see. All right, yeah, 131 is a very nice entry. So keep this one on your watch list. It is a mover. It's up 22%. I think that hopefully you can continue to run on this. Needs to hold. Okay, GWAV, nothing. Nvidia. Let me clean all these charts up because I have to do some options for the Discord guys. IWM. Oh. Right, MBOT. Man, MBOT stopped me out here yesterday. Yeah, MBOT stopped me out yesterday, so it was kind of annoying, but I traded... Which one did I trade twice yesterday? I traded Mura twice yesterday. Got in at 239 and 242. Shit. New here. Do you only choose one trade at a time or one for the day upon open? No, I just trade whatever I see, but I'm only in one, max 2 trades at a time. Usually only in one trade at a time. This looks good for entries. I would take this as an entry. But I never buy right before open. I never buy right after open. I let it play out. My first trade is usually an hour and a half, an hour after market open, because I play reversals. I do not play when the stock is at the highest point it is, or chase and FOMO. So my trading style is reversals. When the stock comes down after the run up like this, then I look for an entry for it to continue to go up. That's kind of how I trade. HX, nothing unless $3.18. An IPO or what? First split. Maybe entries above 318, but at the moment this chart is extremely bearish. No good right now. No entries unless 318. If it gets above 318, maybe you can consider something. But below, do not consider anything, please. Do not touch it. Oh, Verve, let's see. Verve moving. Verve. Yeah, Verve needs $5.17. Right now there isn't. Yeah, $5.17 is your major area of resistance. Right now it's difficult to trade this because you're in a bearish trend. KNW, what's happening with KNW? KNW, nothing. I don't know what people see in the stock. There is no volume. It's in a downtrend. Nothing. Any cheaper long-term hold stocks? I don't trade any long-term stocks, fortunately. Well, I have the regular Apple, Tesla, all of that, but yeah. I just feel that you should just invest in companies that you like and that have the best potential. I.e. these quantum plays, AI themes good, very much beaten down. This looks good as well for entries. You got the trend line break here, closed above. I think this is good for entries. This is probably going to run. Want to take a trade? Here is your trade. Here is your trade, ladies and gentlemen. This and SMX. CNMD is over $1. Is there a wedge on CHRO? Yeah, there is. Correct. Yeah, this looks good as well. I like it. You can just go through something like this. Yeah, falling wedge, and you have a demand zone. If you look left on the chart, there is a demand zone right here, like that. There you go. See that? Falling wedge, demand zone to push to the upside. So possible breakout here, but it is below VWAP. Just bear that in mind. I don't trade stocks under VWAP unless it gives me enough confluences. This could be one of them where it has enough confluences. Safe entries would be above VWAP for entries. Risky entries are now. TGL's pulling back nice to this 420. HTZ is looking good. Don't know if anyone took it. To mention you can. Well done if you did. If you didn't, listen. PRTG, nothing. ARIC. Good. ARIC is above VWAP. I think that this will probably run. The reason why I say that is because it is consolidating like this for the next move to the upside. STBX. This one was a pump and dump yesterday. What is it doing now? It's trying to get over this 330. Maybe 330 you can look for entries. Sorry, even here. I would wait for the hive day yesterday. 44. Trying to reverse. Oh, well, there's volume coming in. It needs 344 breaks. So if you can get above that, then I would consider it. If you enter now, I would just max have a stop loss like 255. Maybe a little bit less actually. 250. All right, I'm going to go through my watch list. All right. And then STBX is pushing. Yeah, I'm going to go over my watch list and then I've got to reply to sort out some new members. For those who just joined, I know there's 2 of you. The 2 members that joined, you know who you are. If you're in here, hello, welcome. Please go and watch this. Click that link if you are new and want to join. It is 1 in 3 months available. I like SMX. In my opinion, this will be expecting to run and break out. If it doesn't, you have a stop loss, so everything is fine. HTZ is looking great. Gave this one here for the push to the upside. Next resistance is 766. TGL, I like this one as well. You're in a falling wedge, reversal pattern to push to the upside. You have CHRO, needs a VWAP. If it's below VWAP, it's usually bearish, and that there is a high probability it will come down. PRTG, nothing on PRTG. I will delete this one. ARIC, no. Verve, no. QRE, he looks interesting. On the news, interesting. Don't worry about the news. News, I mean, I'm a day trader, so I don't care. But news to me is nothing. You have a resistance level around here. A lot of rejection at 1480. Yeah, maybe above that level. Let's go green. Just hit. Nice. Let's go, Michael. Hit on it. Well done. Well done if you got in. Yes, that's correct. Let's have a phenomenal trading day, everybody. Okay, let me go through it. CMND, you need to break above 131 to enter. SMX, I expect this to break out. If you're in, you're in. Make sure to have a stop loss and have a target. HTZ, expecting to go up. TGL, expecting this to break out as well. Looks good. I like this play a lot. It's holding this. Crow is also looking alright. I would take it. Otherwise, if you enter here, safe entries are above 257. ARIC, I still like this. However, 130 entries would be best. STSS, nothing interesting. It needs to get above 5 cents. Won't be touching this or trading it. And RTC is trying to push up. Not really interested in this yet. All right, so that is all I have for today, guys. It will be a short day since the market is closed tomorrow. All right, I don't expect much going on. Let me look at this Forex Factory. What's today? Thursday. We have unemployment claims, which came up lower than expected. So yeah, All right, well, have a great weekend, guys. I will share charts where I can. My main focus is going to be live trading the Discord. We'll be doing that for 2 hours today with Hassi after mine, and then I will be gone. All right, so have a great day, guys, and I